Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to AustralianSuper application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the AustralianSuper application from your app drawer. If you don't have the app downloaded yet, go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and search for AustralianSuper application and install it on your device. Once the app is installed, launch it open by tapping on it. Wait for the AustralianSuper application to load and you will then come across this interface from where you can register for a new account as a new member or simply log into your existing account. To log into your existing account, tap on Log In, and on the next page, you will need to type in your username and password. Type in your username associated with your AustralianSuper account in the text box appearing at the top. On the next field where it says Password, type in your AustralianSuper account's password. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Username or Forgot Password right beneath the Login button. After filling in your credentials, if you'd like the system to remember your username for easy access next time, check on Remember My Username box at the bottom. If you don't want to do that since you are using a public device, leave the box unchecked for security and click Login. Now on the next page, agree to the terms and conditions of AustralianSuper app by tapping Agree. Now you will need to create a PIN to make it easier to log in next time. Simply type in the PIN code, or you can also skip the creation of PIN by clicking on Skip at the top right. Soon after you are done, you will then be able to log in to AustralianSuper application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.